Hey, Tony Hill from Making Sense of Credit. Hey, pick up my Blueprint Masterpiece credit repair kit. Look, it's easy to use. Investigation forms, you just put the creditor, the credit bureau, and the item that you're disputing. Same with the inquiry dispute form. Put the creditor and the date that you're disputing. Also, I have one for fraudulent. If you have some fraudulent activity on your for inquiries and you don't know where they came from, also make sure you certify it. Make sure you send your picture ID along with another something that comes to your home, and it can't be older than 60 days. You want to make sure you do that. And then also you can dispute late payments. Put the creditor's name, credit bureau, and the month and year that late happened. Make sure you don't put never late in there. This is very simple to use if you hate sending out credit repair letters. This is a great alternative. I've been using this form for more than 35 years. I just modified it to perfection. Hope you pick it up. And good luck. Peace.